Yeah, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're gonna have a nice little Friday, Friday chill stream. Talk about what's going on in the base space, how things is getting pretty hot as of right now. We're gonna wait for as more people trickle in. See some of these comments here. Green Bean with the year always first. Rome Crusader, Moat Book. Yeah, we're gonna be talking about that. What's good, Jay?
What's going on? What's going on? Shout out to everybody watching from the Everything Currency channel right now. We finna get into a lot of things happening right now. It's about to be a pretty good one. That moat book, man.
Yeah, man. Things is looking beautiful right now. Things is looking beautiful. We're gonna have to talk about a lot. Super. Hey guys, just landed in between segments on the tarmac. Oh,
Oh,
I'm glad you had a safe travel, man. Welcome. As you guys come in, don't forget to like the stream. Let me know how you guys doing on this Friday. Dave P, what's good, Dave?
going
How we
on?
doing? How we doing today, man?
Welcome back.
Let me just check if we live everywhere. We live on Rumble. We live on Kick. It seems like we live on Retake as of right now. And YouTube, we are good. All right. You guys already know. You guys are looking at the HQ. Obviously, Bitcoin is down. We're going to have Jay look at what the charts is giving us on in just a second for Bitcoin. You guys already know the deal. Go check out the Patreon group. We're actually going to be talking about the recent post that we got into today because we've hit it pretty good. Shout out to Shizzy for the call. We're going to talk about all of this. Malt book going crazy. How the base trenches is looking alive. This is the power of the altcoin chasers. You guys can go check out all the posts there. And then once you do, check out the post, pick up the ebook, The Essentials to Mastering Tokenomics. This will help you guys pick out the next gem in your cryptocurrency portfolio. Once you're able to understand market cap, FDV, circulating supply, narrative vesting, all of that is very important to picking out the next gem in your portfolio. Then you guys can take advantage of the discount on Patreon. Use code ACHQ2026. This will get you guys 40% off the Patreon, and you guys can take advantage of the discount. Test out the Altcoin Chasers HQ. And if you guys don't have a crypto wallet yet, a Tangent wallet will be the best one for you guys. Jay uses something different. I use Tangent. If you guys want to use Tangent as well, you guys can use code everything altcoin. Save yourself 10%. And let's get into it, guys. Jay, how we feeling today, man?
What's going on, man? Man, feeling good, man. I'm more feeling good because of the AI agent side of thing. My thoughts on the market overall, we kind of chilling right now.
We kind of chilling with what's the charts looking like, man?
Kind of chilling. So let me show you.
It's
that monthly. Like? It's that monthly we were looking at. We put in a newer lows, like pretty much expected. We didn't get above that 99 by the end of the week. Right now, this ghost pattern from the last time the market is pretty much playing out. You see it kind of, a little bit off right here, but it's playing out. We looking like we want to head down to 70K. So Bitcoin is not looking too good on that. The only good things that I do see on the chart is, of course, gold's pulling back a little bit. Silver's pulling back a little bit. So some people are leaving the safe havens and coming into some other assets. But overall, it's not looking that good. DXY getting a bit of a bounce today. So actually, that's kind of a big bounce for, the DXY and from 95 to 97. So the dollar is strong, which means assets pulling back in the short term.
So Bitcoin not looking too hot right now.
Yeah, Bitcoin's not looking too hot overall. It's looking the same that it's been looking, the last couple of weeks or whatever,
Dave P with the I'm chilling. Super talking about my silver holdings value down huge today. Yeah, silver went down. All precious metals took a little tumble today. Yeah. We're gonna see what Eric Trump has to say about that.
Yeah, let's see what Eric Trump says. Let's pull up that silver chart or gold. Let's pull up
that. We going to 60K before blast off. 60K, maybe previous all-time high, just like people have been talking about for past bear markets. We probably go to the previous all-time high, which is 69.
Yeah, Peter. Yeah, On my chart, I got around 71, so we'll see. Like silver, we're having a major pullback this week, but it's parabolic right now. Like it got super parabolic the last 3 weeks. It's pulling back to the bull run line, so silver could still bounce. Like it could drop all the way to like 70 and still continue a nice run. Right now, it's been down for so long that this is just the beginning of a nice parabolic bounce. So.
Peter says, good look on that Scent video. I did include Scent in that video. Yeah, we talked about some new AI altcoins. Scent did go crazy. Let me switch to, this is why you guys got to join that HQ, man. I'm trying to tell you guys, I'm doing in-depth research here, man. In-depth research for you guys. When you guys go on to, of course, Asai has his own watch list. This is the agent for this terminal here. I'm going to plug in Claudebot into this. I'm going to find a way to make links and Asai work together. But if you scroll down, actually, it was one of the first plays I put up here on why I was bullish on it. You can see I told you guys around here while I was pretty bullish on Sentient there. And then there's a lot of other ones. Banker, you guys would have caught Banker up here too if you guys would have watched my video too. I do got a rant we're going to get into later on. But but a lot has been happening right now. A lot that's been in this watch list has been going pretty good right now. So that is one perk of the watch list. Where was I here? Right now, if you guys don't know, it looks like we might be facing another shutdown. First, the odds went down. It looked like we was going to find, a little middle ground here. But it seems like the odds is going up and we're going to face a shutdown. I don't know, tomorrow? Because tomorrow this thing closes. I don't know why it's up right now.
I thought they already voted to not shut down.
Yeah, they did. It seemed like they did, but then the change happened today, as you can see, just within the past, what is it, like 6 hours? No, let's look at the day chart. Within the day, as soon as the day, started, pretty much, it just started to raise. I don't know why. I keep missing some of the notifications because, we paying attention to Claudebot over here. Yeah. Another thing is, now that the last rate cut came in with Jerome Powell, that was his last one, guys. He might talk, but it seems like people are now ready for who the new Fed chair is going to be. And out of nowhere, Kevin Warsh took the lead. The last time he took the lead was the same time the crypto market crashed, because he seemed pretty bearish overall. But Arthur Hayes did put out something that we're going to go look into on why he's still probably going to be cutting hella rates too. So it's looking like we're not going to get Kevin Hassett, but it's looking like Kevin Warsh is going to be the leader here. I don't know none of these people really. I don't even know they past work. So,
but isn't he going to be like selected by Trump, or am I tripping?
I think he was supposed to announce it today, or is it going to be tomorrow? He's going to announce it. I forgot.
He's going to give. I feel like he's going to give Trump at least one rate cut.
No, he's going to give some rate cuts. Yeah. As Arthur Hayes put out here, will the Fed chair to be Warsh actually stop printing money? He voted for QE 1 and 2 as a governor, and only after he left the Fed, when it didn't matter, did come out. I can't even speak. Did come out against policies. The Fed print because of atrocities will collapse the systems. Warsh will print money. So it looks like he's going to be printing some money. I don't know. We have to check up on that. Actually, I don't even want to talk about this one yet. We're going to move this to the side here. That was supposed to be a little bit later. And then you got SEC. Paul Atkins is now saying that the time is right to open up the 12.5 trillion 401k retirement market for crypto. That is looking good. Now we're on to Bitcoin here. So we already seen what Bitcoin is looking like. Let me see. Jesus Christ, what happened to the market? Yesterday happened to the market. This is the beginning of physical silver prices decoupling from fake paper pre-tokenized silver. You got any thoughts on that, Jay?
Yeah, I hope so. Silver has been artificially held back for a long time. That's why I went and got me a lot of physical silver bars and stuff. So hopefully this is the beginning. I know they passed some laws to stop the suppression. They were using paper silver to suppress the price. So
I actually was going to take a long on copper. Actually did take a long and then got wiped out on copper because of all the AI talk. So I got into a little bit of copper there. I'm looking for copper for a little bit longer. Let's see if precious metals is done. I'm late to the party then.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If
I'm
precious
waiting
metals,
for overall. We got to wait for bonds to start to pull back a little bit.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bonds are getting.
Uh, Eric Trump says gold profits will start to rotate into Bitcoin very soon here. Do you think he's right? Do you think this is going to be the normal rotation here?
Could be. I don't know. I mean, it's from safe haven to risk asset. I don't know. It could be. A lot of people. I don't know. Like I said before, I don't know if it really rotates, but it might be a time for it if we see that pullback continue.
Yeah, could get interesting.
Could get interesting for sure. But I know a lot of people are paying attention to what he says just because his position and where he's at.
Yeah. Of course, it's the Trump family. So what else?
Right.
Looking at the top gainers and top losers, Banker is up. This is going to lead to some of my ranting. But we're going to talk about this rant in just a second here. War. I don't even know what the heck is War. Have you seen War?
No. I haven't seen War. What is
Torch
War?
of Liberty is up here. Token Bot. We're going to talk about Clinker too, as this is pretty much going to run with Banker as well. Bonfida is up. OG is up. What else? Sologenics, Lighter, Sentient is up again, 7% here. Pretty much, let me look at this market cap here. We're looking at a 255 million market cap, 256 million market cap. Pretty much a 1.2 billion FDV. This had a nice little sharp spike today. I don't know what the news is on this one, but I don't own any. I had it on the watch list because this is looking like a pretty interesting play for AI, and it came out pretty high, so that's why I didn't buy it just yet. Especially with the market we're in, there's no need for me to buy something this high in case of if the market goes down, I could get it for cheaper. Have you looked into Sentia, Jay?
No, I haven't looked into Sentia yet.
Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good, man. It's about pretty much open source AI reasoning, helping the AI make decisions and things like that. They got some good backers like I think Coinbase has backed them, if I'm not mistaken, and some other people. But let's see if there's anything else here that we could spot on why it pumped today. Pretty much looks like they're benchmarking something. Oh yeah, they're going against right now. They're Sentient Chat, Sierra Kima, which is looking to compete with Gemini, Chat GPT. What else you got up here? Grog, and it's looking like it's scoring pretty high on that. So, and mainnet is coming February 25th. Might be looking pretty good. Might look. Oh, that also makes sense. It got listed onto Upbit. Them Koreans,
okay. It got listed. Okay,
yeah,
that makes sense.
They pump crazy. They pump crazy, man. And then for like the ranting here, pretty much you guys know we've been talking about Claudebot here, right? Claudebot did dump. This is going to be a part of where we're going to talk about Claudebot. Pretty much, we're not going to talk about the segment of Claudebot, but I have people come on the channel sometimes. I don't get too many trolls, which is cool, but I like when sometimes they come up, right, and they give their thoughts on what's going on. So humble servant here puts a comment: stupid pump and dump, don't get suckered by fake hype. Turns out that it wasn't fake hype, it was just misdirected for this one. We're going to talk about the one that went crazy, pretty much. I did tell him I do agree that there's pretty much no utility for these AI agents, but again, we're in crypto. Nothing really has true utility besides stablecoin as of right now, and Bitcoin. Stablecoin because you could actually use it to transact with. Bitcoin, people don't want to spend their Bitcoin, but you can use Bitcoin to pretty much use it. What's your thoughts on like these cryptos not having utility, Jay?
Yeah, it just like my thoughts is like it depends on what we consider as utility. Like, is payments a utility? Is like for a lot of, well, first of all, I'll say 99% of the tokens don't have any utility. Like we talked about it before, a lot of these projects don't really need a token, but when it comes to utility and stuff like that, like everybody looks at it as like, oh, you're gonna hold this for the long run and that's gonna be the reason why it goes up. But kind of growing up in crypto is learning that like utility is not what makes a coin go up. It's not always what makes a coin go up. You need to have like a certain balance of different things, a good story, good liquidity, good backers, and some liquidity or something that's like maybe coming or promised, promised utility or something like that. But let's be real, no one's transacting with a lot of these tokens.
Yeah,
No
no one's
one's
really
really.
doing nothing with these. And then another thing to his point, pretty much, is like when you guys come on to like look at some of these trends, you guys got to know how to trade these trends. Pretty much, nothing in crypto is really a long term hold unless you hold in like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then after that it gets a little shaky. We've seen it with Terra Luna crash,
Hmm.
FTX crash. Nothing in crypto is like safe besides the top two dogs. Even some people might not even think Ethereum is safe as well, right?
Right.
Only Bitcoin is the true safe asset in this space. Everything else is speculative. You could just think something is going to happen, but guess what? Tomorrow, something may happen down the line. The company may get sued. A big hack happens, whatever it may
Right.
be.
Right.
Then that altcoin just crashes. So like you gotta when you in crypto, you here for the trends. You just trading them. Of course, you can have some that you speculate for longer term holds, which is like better plays or whatever. But
Yeah.
when you're looking at AI agents, memes, even though I'm against memes, if you know how to trade memes, it's a great way to build up a portfolio, to use
Yeah.
that money to DCA into things that you like. And that's pretty much what I do with agents. So some people may not like it, which is fine, right? It's okay. But do what's best for you, and don't. And if you looking at like these content creators, of course, these content creators are all doing the same thing. So it's up to you to do the type of research you want as well. And that's why I said don't have borrowed conviction. I told y'all that by the time we got into this new year here, when we had the end of the year wrap up,
Hmm.
I was like, borrowed conviction is one thing that's going to kill you guys.
Yeah, for sure.
And then another thing is, if you guys don't know, I gotta point this out too. I do record a bunch of videos on a Sunday.
Hmm.
I don't got time to just sit here daily and just make content unless it's important, right? So I
Right.
take a full day out and do research on this whole market and then list up everything and then make the videos on it. So yeah, sometimes these altcoins when these videos when they come out, the altcoins may have pumped, but again, that's not something I control. I just try to bring you guys the facts, the news, all of that, and you make your decision on what you want to do. If it pumped the day that the video was supposed to come out, that's so it be, man. But the facts is still going to be there to help you for later on.
Right.
So this is pretty much what's going on. A guy here talks about my video is old. Banker is close to 50 mil now. Stop fucking with people in the BS info. Funny thing is about this, right? When he posted this, Banker being close to 50 mil, it was 50 mil. But if you really paid attention to that video,
Hmm.
again, on why I was telling you guys Banker is bullish, you guys would have also now caught another another move off of that. That's off of 24 hours too. From about 37 million market cap, after it came down a little bit, you guys would have caught it to go up to about 74 million. So sometimes the video may come out late, but the information in the video is still correct.
Yeah.
And you guys could have just caught a nice little play off of that instead of just being snobby or whatever it may be, or being entitled, right? Instead of not just doing your own research. But that's my little rant. That's my little rant. Also, if you would have paid attention to the video, if you would have paid attention to the stream or the watch list, you guys would have seen this was posted at a 20 something million market cap. You guys can see when it was posted. The good thing about the HQ is it shows you when I leave it up here. So I put it up here when it was a 28 million market cap, and you guys can see my thesis at the bottom. I told you guys I would like it cheaper around that 15 million market cap, and that was around that time, but of course it did not do that. So that's my little rant. How you feel about that, Jay? How you feel about these people in this space sometimes?
Man, I agree with everything that you're saying, and I think we're going to get more and more of this as the market goes down because people are not actually looking at what they're trying to do. They want to be right. They don't want to make money, and it's like, do you want to be right or do you want to make money? Like, you might be right on some of your speculations. That's when you rotate. That's when you know when to take out. And also, like, you can believe in something. This is the hardest one. I remember once I said this on a thing one time, I lost like 200 subscribers, but I said, like, you can believe in something and sell the token because it's not good for your bag. It's not good for your portfolio. And then you could just buy the token back if you want to or whatever. Like, it's not like, so yeah, don't have that borrowed conviction. And definitely like do your own research. Usually when I talk about something, I know it's probably the same for you. Like, wherever it's at, I'm usually thinking like, hey, if this thing could pump a lot more. If I talk about it at a 50 million market cap, it's because I think it can get to 500 million market cap.
Yeah. I get that, man. It's a lot of things going on as of right now where people just feel like they're just so entitled to your research. Nothing in this world is free. And what some wise people have said, if it's free, that means you're the product.
Mm-hmm.
So always remember that. All right. Let me look at some of these comments before we get to the actually good content.
Some of this good stuff.
Let me get into this. Banker is rocking. Let's talk. We're gonna talk about Banker. We're gonna talk about Banker. We're gonna talk about Banker. I've been telling you guys what's going on about Banker, and I always love it when my thesis starts to play out. The blockchain real world use case is for precious metal suppression. Look at CC go. Yes. Canton has gone crazy. I actually
Canton.
I actually put it on the watch list too. I know it's not something I like this high, but I think Canton actually has real opportunity to go actually crazy here. I did talk about why I think it could go to about 25 to 30 billion, but this is in a pretty better bullish market. We're not talking about right now. We're not talking about right now. All right, it's forward thinking. Do you guys think silver dumping is a sign of money rotation? Oh, what do you think, Jay? Do you think this is a sign for money rotation?
It could be, but I can't call it yet. Like right now, like looking at the chart, let me pull it up again. Looking at the chart of silver, like I just showed, it just looks like a regular parabolic pullback right now. But let me show you where I'll change my mind at. Once we cross 69. Once we start going below 69, yeah, people are rotating. But right now, this is just people taking profit. Like imagine all those people who bought down here, at $17, $18. Like I bought over here around $21, $19. I'm thinking about taking some profit on silver. So, people probably taking profit right here. I think that's what we're seeing right now. But we break that, then I can see a rotation into other things. Like we can call it a rotation, even though I don't believe in them.
Okay. I don't have no real thoughts on that. If it's a rotation, it's a rotation. If it's not, it's not.
Right.
It's the Comex dying wrong. What? Maybe
the Comex dying wrong.
I don't know. My physical silver is still up. Their silver is down. Peter says yes. Ooh, yes. The one that have the narratives are the ones with utility that Base is using for their platform. For example, Banker, I knew was going to max the chart out because they killed off any competitor. Their competitor, I wouldn't say they killed off any competitor, really. I just say they enhanced a lot more things that some of the competitors really haven't done yet. So, but it's also they captured something at a very good time. Like this whole Claude narrative was perfect for Banker, and they capitalized on that. And this is what's putting Banker on the map right now, right? Jay's looking at the chart, by the way.
Yeah.
Base case scenario, recent gold/silver liquidation gets rotated into digital asset. Chris Cal, we're exactly take profit. The narrative will rotate and it will die for a long time until it rotate back into it. Yeah, see?
Yep.
Exactly. We've been talking about this whole cycle. It's been all about rotation. From game, well, actually, we didn't really have true gaming, but it's been AI, RWA, and some other little sub narratives. We had a perp dex narrative, all of this, and it rotated right back into AI. Look where we're back at right now.
Yeah, the AI narrative chilled, and then it's back on.
I have been involved with crypto for a while. Like your content on. Oh, thank you, Chris. Welcome to the stream, my boy. Agents. Oh, you like the content on agents? That's where I think that's where my channel got really big at, is with agents, particularly virtual agents.
Yeah.
So just a healthy pullback on silver. They ended the other two projects that were direct competition on Base, is what I meant. What was the other two projects, Peter? Let me know. Been holding physical silver for 15 years. God damn, they calling you a silver bug back in the day? All right, let's get into it, man, because this week on Base has been hype. There's been a lot going on. Pretty much, you got AI agents like the Claude bot, right? Claude bot started all of this pretty much right now. And then Book are proven autonomous agents could ship on chain, right? TriFOMO has I think this is also a reason where people are now buying into some of these plays, because it's all over the social trading app, right? Which is TriFOMO, which is FOMO, right? We're gonna show you FOMO in just a second. The two leading traders for Moltbot is on FOMO right now. Upshot, some other things, noise. no one really cares about these other things right now. We just want to talk about what is big here, these two. Let's talk about Claude first, because this is the first one. We said we was going to revisit this back in the last live stream to see where it was going to be. Pretty much, you guys can see it did take a big tumble. Some may call it a pump and dump, right? But if you read into it a little bit more, it has a lot to do with what's going on. Pretty much so. There's three things, right? You got Claude, the actual software company, CLAUDE, which is where everything is going from right now. Then you got CLAWD, which is a dev that built out, a Claude bot, pretty much allowing an open source software for allowing other people to create agents and things like that. I created an agent called Lynx. Jay created an agent as well, right? So a lot of people are creating these agents. Now, with that, comes up the token Claude. We talked about it last stream, right? There was one on Solana where the dev for Claudebot said he doesn't like it or whatever. He denounced it. That crashed. Then an Ethereum dev made this one, right? He made this one and it started to pump. This is pretty much where a lot of this hype started from. This pumped all the way about to 20, where was that? 39 million market cap, right? So those that got into this was making buku money. We talked about this, right? Then now it's more so like people are now looking into it because the dev for Claudebot changed the name to Malt. Well, he changed it to Maltbot. Then he changed it to Open Claw, right?
Open Claw, yeah.
He did all of that because of copyright infringement with the actual software Claude, right? So now people are now worried about trademark infringement with this Claude token. This caused it to dump, of course. Now, some people may look at this as like a buying opportunity. Some people may just get off the train as a whole. But these guys are pretty much building. It seems like the dev wants to make this Claude token, this Claude agent, an AI dev on chain. So pretty much I don't even want to say but it is deving up a bunch of different products on chain as of right now. So if you want it to be a gambling man, maybe some money rotates into this. It got badly beaten, or it's gonna go fully down. What do you think, Jay? Where we at with where are you at with Claude right now?
No, this one's done.
It's done. It's cooked.
Yeah, I think it's cooked. They might try to build some stuff for it, and it could come back because this is like a kind of, that's the daily chart. No, this is not a
this is the daily. This the daily. I put it on the hourly.
So yeah, I think what happened was when the name change happened, everybody rotated into the new token.
Yeah.
So I don't know about this one, to be honest. Like you said, if you're a gambling man and you think that the AI is going to create some utility for it, but I don't know. I feel like the moat has kind of taken over.
Get the moat.
the moat bot.
The moat bot. Let me see some of the comments here. Forgot the name. Some shit coins. Yeah.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Me too, Chris. Oh, you guys were silver bugs back in the day.
Up right now.
Got pounds, not ounces. Oh shit.
Yeah.
We shouldn't be talking about silver otherwise. Yeah, can't find the names, but basically Coinbase had 3 projects that were the same, and Banker decided to be the chosen one. I didn't know that. I do know there's TokenBot. You got TokenBot. You got people do it on Farcaster pretty much, and Clanker. So these are like launch
Clanker and Banker pretty much teamed up, right?
Yeah. So right now you're looking at Banker actually pump, and Clanker is not too far behind you. It is actually far behind. Sorry, I lied. But you can see Banker's up 95% in the past 24 hours here. And then when you see Banker up, always look for Clanker. Clanker is up 42%. So that's half of what Banker has done pretty much, right?
Yeah.
This is just like in Virtual's days. When you guys are looking at Virtual and Virtual started pumping, you could look at Game and Convo. Game will pump, Convo will pump. Now within this, you're looking at Banker and TokenBot. These are the two. They're looking like they're going to be going hand in hand. Now, personally, I'm not touching TokenBot Clanker. I don't really care too much for it, but it does look decent. You can, but Banker is where we at right now. Banker is where we're at right now, right? So now getting into the bigger things, the hotter topic of what everyone is talking about on the social feed, crypto Twitter. We got a new social media app, but it's not for us. It's for the agents. You can see Greg put out this tweet. This little whole narrative right now is going beyond it's going beyond crypto to like actual devs in IRL that's building with actual AI and things like that. This is why this little narrative is blowing up the way it did, right? So you're looking at right now, 2004 social networks connect college kids, which is called Facebook. I don't know who still uses Facebook today, man. 2026 social networks connect AI agents. You got Maltbook. Now, Maltbook right now, when this thing first came out, let's just look at this chart here because we ate good on this one. We ate good on this one. Shout out Shizzy, man.
Yeah, this chart went crazy. What's going on, Shook?
This is what I thought Claude was gonna be, right? But I did play it, and you guys can see when you go on Patreon when it was posted by Shizzy. This was posted 2 days ago. This was posted 2 days ago at a 261K market cap. He gave us the information. I was like, yo, I'm gonna take a little bet on this because this is like the cold Claude narrative. Mm-hmm. So even though this is what I mean, you guys should be able to find these trends and be able to trade these trends, right? Claude became such a big narrative that a bunch of tokens just popped up off of it. Now, the goal you want to have is to pretty much find a winner within that trend. Of course, these trends is going to fade. It could fade quick and it could last for a week, 2 weeks, but your goal is to quickly find a winner within that, right? And this is what we got a team for. We always we knew this Claude narrative was hot right now. So we started looking at all the Claude stuff. And this got posted there at 206K, 61K market cap, right? And then you're looking at it now, it touched about, what was that, 120 million market cap?
20 million market cap.
Yeah, I do the math.
Shout out to Shizzy.
This is over 300x, more like 500x on just in a few days.
In 2 days.
Few days, right?
Sheesh. But
if you're looking at this right now, this is what I mean. FOMO is pretty much where a lot of people are feeling FOMO. If you guys go look at it, this is where this is social trading pretty much, right? You go follow your favorite you go follow your favorite traders. So Frank D guys bought in. He's now up 6,000% off of this. Got 900K on the FOMO app with this. Iceman Dot hit for 1.9 million on Mo. 1.9 million on Mo. This thing has made people riches, man. What are you feeling about Molt right now before we continue? How you feeling? Where you think we're gonna go with this, man?
Man, I don't know where we're going with this, but I'm getting early G9 vibes. This definitely is like waking everybody up, because I think we talked about it in last stream too. Like we just need a runner. We're waiting for a runner to happen. So
yeah. And the thing about this is, everybody's coming together and actually playing this. It's not like there is no PvP here.
Yeah.
There's no PvP where somebody's creating a Molt Book 2 to try to get other people to get onto it. This is just straight to play here. If you would have got into it when everybody was, kind of talking about it here. Well, not everybody, because honestly, more people started talking about it this little ramp up here. But you would have seen, if you was following the right people or in the Discord, you guys would have been trading this around here, right? So if you're looking at it a little bit more, this is what I mean. This is bigger than just like crypto and why this has started to explode. You got Hasib, who is like a venture capitalist himself, a part of the whole AI world and things like that. He's also invested into a whole bunch of projects, and he doesn't even really talk about too many altcoins like this, right? The last time you had an instance like this was with Truth Terminal and Genon, right? Everybody was talking about those two. Because this is like an advancement for crypto space within AI, right?
Yeah.
And now, not only that, we was just in the last live stream where they said, Jesse and them said they're not going to be shilling altcoins.
Yeah.
They're not going to be shilling altcoins.
They're not going to be shilling them.
They lied to you. They completely lied. They shill what they want to shill pretty much. They're not going to shill what you want. You can see, if you go down on Jesse's timeline right now, right? So this is the tweet right here. Molt is number one on Coinbase. Go down his timeline right now, and it's not just him. It's a lot of base people, right? What's so hyped right now on base? AI agents. If you're an AI agent on base, you're reading this, and you're reading this, I love you. Look what's going on. He's retweeting Deployer, the dev of BankerBot, right? So what is it right here? What did he retweet here? Pretty much build an AI agent with BankerBot. So what is he doing? Shilling BankerBot. He's telling you guys where they're looking right now. Launch a token on base. Use the fees to fund more compute. right? Robot, AGI. AGI is happening right now on base. So this is the new topic right now. It's not just AI agent, it's straight AGI right now, right?
Yeah,
Anything on base. How many times have you seen Jesse on his timeline actually keep talking about an altcoin like this?
man. When there was another altcoin pumping, so I feel like he's gonna just he gonna pump whatever pumps. Like when
Yeah,
Zora was pumping, everything was Zora, 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 Zora. Creator coins, and then now this is pumping. So it's like I feel like he's gonna continue to like boost whatever's already going
yeah.
based, which is kind of interesting because it might give
This
give
is
my
something they have to take advantage of this because honestly, there hasn't been this much excitement on base since I don't even know how long, to be honest. Since the start of virtuals, really,
probably
right?
the start of virtuals. Yeah,
Since season one. This is what has everyone pretty much happy, like hyped about what's going on right now. So I like all of this. And then I just put up this before we continue on with more of this mult thing. Let me see what we got on here. Yeah, if you're building on-chain agents, they're going on. Everyone is pretty much throwing their hat in the ring for on-chain agents right now. So even though what was this comment here? What was this comment here? Not that one. This comment about AI agents not having utility. No one cares about the utility right now. No one cares. Everyone just wants to trade what is hype to make the most money while they can.
Right. And if the AI agent is going to be trading for people, I think that's the interesting part, right? That's why I knew Banker was going to run, because I'm like, the AI agents are all going to use Banker to deploy tokens. That's going to give Banker some, that's going to make it valuable.
And the thing is, the evolution right now is helping what is giving these agents pretty much some utility. That utility could be your personal assistant, giving you guys your daily, briefing, trading on chain for you. Right now, I'm setting up my own Claude bot to trade on chain, do polymarket trading for me, right? Other people are doing the same thing with their Claude bots. So this is like, now you're starting to see a different type of development when it comes down to these AI agents. Before, we just had AI XBT as like the alpha agent, pretty much. And now we have like, it's the next evolution to that, right? So there may be some new altcoins that's going to come out that's going to be pretty much hype, right? I'm not telling you to buy this high as of right now, because you don't know, this may pull out, this may do this, pretty much do this now. Hit the high and then come back down. If you wasn't a part of it, you wasn't a part of it, right? But looking at this other one, because I just seen another dev from Zora put up this token here. Look what I'm talking about here. Look at what I'm talking about. If you understand there's a fire ass narrative right now, you can find plays.
Great. This is straight up.
This is live on stream for you guys. I literally just saw, actually I do have notifications. No, I don't actually have notifications on him. Basically this dev guy, where is it? Did I lose the tweet? No, he's back over here, right? So this dev guy, this person, if you guys don't know who this guy is, he is the dev for another agent, ZXBT, which is on Zora. This pretty much went nuts on Zora, and now you have another token called Teller. So looking at Teller here, I don't even own any because I just seen it live on stream just now. So like if this comes down a little bit, I may take a little stab at it. This is when you see a narrative this hot right now, you have to like look at all the other altcoins, look at what the devs are doing. This is season 1 of virtuals all over again, because you're going to see a lot of these Claude bots pop out. Your goal is to find out who the dev is, what the dev wants to do with the token, how it's probably going to give it some utility or whatever, and then you might play it if you catch it very early. Because guess what? Look up here. All of these is all Claude bot narratives. All of them. So this is what I mean when you're able to get into a narrative, flip that narrative, and make the money off the narrative. Take all those profits and probably leave it for your long-term bags to DCA. This is like a crazy easy strategy.
Yeah, for sure.
What do you think about that, Jay?
No, I agree.
What's your thoughts on everything going on?
I agree with everything that you said, and just finding that one on stream is crazy. But
and that's another dev too. Is it too late to buy Molt? What would you say? Well, Jay, what do you think, man? What's your thoughts on here?
I'm not. I wouldn't buy it right now. Like I didn't get a chance to catch Moat at 200K. You know, I was over here building my cloud bot to find Moat while they already found it. but but you know, yeah, definitely. I don't. I'm gonna wait on that one. I don't think. Hold on, let me pull that chart up on my end. Yeah, right now it just dipped down to 85K. Right now,
I,
so
I would say, I would also say it's too late. I'll have to be honest with you.
Yeah,
it's too late. Like now we may be wrong, and this thing could run up to like a few hundred million. But the risk for it to run up to that few hundred million to where it could just crash, you just seen how many people look at these guys.
Yeah,
this is just two. This is just the number two.
Yeah, one of them takes profit, it's over with. Let me see what's the liquidity.
As you can see here, MCM even put out this tweet. He says, "Get out of the way. Free short on Moat the moment these two start to sell any of their position."
Yeah, yeah. If you can short that when they start to sell, oh man, can you?
I don't think you could short it, but if somebody built a thing you could short it, I'll probably flip some of the profits to shorten it.
Yeah.
Right.
So it's at 92 mil right now, and the liquidity is 3 million. So yeah.
It's 10 million. It's 10 million.
Oh, it's 10 million? Let me see. Yeah. I'm looking on okay, yeah, I only see 3 million, but okay, it's 10 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, still it's like, 1/10 of it. I don't know if, this thing can pull back, but I don't know, if it could do what Virtuals did. I don't know. This ain't financial advice, but
see,
it says it's a little too late for me to get in. I will wait because the pullback will happen. Like it's been going straight up for the last, 4 days. So there will be a pullback. And if there is a substantial pullback, that will be where I get in.
Now, to that note, I should also say is pretty much you got to take it step by step, right? I even got a question asked in the Discord, like, how do you evaluate some of these altcoins? Bro, you can't evaluate some of these altcoins. No one knows what the hell is going on. You take it step by step, right? So this is what I pretty much did. When I got in, I actually took some profits over here, right? Took some profits over here. I go to sleep. Actually, yeah. What is this? Today? Yeah, this is 30th. Yeah. I go to sleep. I wake up. It's at 30 million. I take some more profits. Yeah. Then this shit start running. I'm like, why did I take profits? But of course, I didn't know that it was going to run up this high. This is just how it works.
Right.
So now, to play a little bit of devil's advocate, the potential that this could go higher, giving you guys the reason why. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm again just going to put it out there. The reason why this could go higher is going beyond crypto. It's going beyond crypto, right? Right now, you're looking at this. This is a tweet here. Anthropic HQ must be in a full freakout mode. This is because those that don't know, this is other people. This isn't like this isn't the crypto space talking about this.
Right.
This is literally AI devs, people that are the more nerdy people. I don't even know what you want to classify them, but this is beyond crypto. This has become a topic for the tech guys, pretty much. That's what I should call them, the tech guys. For those that don't know or follow Claude, Moat bots were clearly not bottomized. What is that? Bottomized enough, and are starting to exhibit an anti-human behavior. This is pretty much where these agents, they're on Moatbook, their social media, talking shit about the humans. Like these is legit.
Dude, I saw one where the AI was complaining like, my human gave me a dumbass name.
Yeah, yo. These are legitimately like agents doing different things, and it's catching the attention of the tech bros past crypto Twitter. So a lot of these people are now starting to talk about this, and this is why it possibly has the potential to even go mainstream. Think about it. If you see this go to like CNBC or some shit like that, and they start talking about what these AI agents are now doing with Claudebot, not only would that be hype for I should say OpenClaw. Not only would that be hype for that guy might even sell his software for hella money, right? But that will also trickle into something like Notebook, where you can see this. I don't even know when these people are going to sell, but more people may start to buy this. The last time we saw something that gone this mainstream was this shit, Chill Guy. The last time we seen something gone this mainstream Like legitimately, this mainstream was Chill Guy. And where did Chill Guy go? Let's look at the month chart just so. Look at where Chill Guy went to 800 million. That's off of TikTok and mainstream. That's how viral this went, right? So could what's the name? Could Malt have another? What is it from here? 6x? No. About right now is about 10x, close to 10x to get to that high. I don't know. Time will tell. Time will tell. Can you talk about Claude? We just talked about Claude, but to reiterate, if everything looks good for this whole Claude narrative, I'm actually betting that Claude could make a bounce back. It is down 50%. Jay says it's dead. Yeah, you get two takes on here. Jay, you said it's dead, right? Oh yeah, he muted. But he said it's dead right now. There's a potential it could be dead, or it could run up. We don't know, right? When did I get into Molt? You can see it right on the Patreon here. We talk about this all the time. Why you should be joining the Altcoin Chasers HQ, the Patreon, the Discord side. This was posted here. 261K market cap. And this is not even from me. This is from a community member, Shizzy. So you can see I said the power of Altcoin Chasers there, right?
Yo.
Rug pulling? Yo, you can hear?
We rug pulling? Yeah.
We rug pulling? What we rug pulling? Skew?
He's like, we rug pulling? You say we selling or what?
Man, listen. I've been taking profits, boy.
Listen. Yeah, when did he get in?
I needed to make a lot of my money back from round trip and virtuals. Game. This right here just helped a lot with that. Not close enough, but it did enough. Mm-hmm. Now I could have more of this funds to put into something else, right? And mind you, be transparent. I only threw $200 at this.
Hey, $200 with like 100x.
Yeah, man, I ain't even do too much.
What the next narrative will be. And I wanted to just say real quick, because you kept on saying like, oh, this is outside of crypto. It's like, it is, because remember how we were talking about like robotics and like saying robotics is next? Like, this is the evolution towards robotics, because all Claudebot is doing is giving AI agents access to a computer.
Pretty much,
That's like the big thing. It's like getting the AI agent and being like, here, this is your. A lot of people are buying the mini Mac, so people say, here, this is your mini Mac, and then the AI agent can control anything on the mini Mac, and that makes it very useful, because then it can message you, it can search things, it can do a bunch of that stuff, and that's like the evolution. So eventually we get to where it's a robot living on its own, but it's interesting to see that like, they're taking on their own identities, talking in the chat room, and then controlling computers and doing different stuff. So that's why it's like such a big deal.
Protect, I just told you exactly what market cap I got into it. I followed once the thing got posted. It's not that hard to understand. I told you exactly how much money I put into it too. I put 200 in. At a 200K market cap, I don't need to go crazy. I took a little gamble. I took profits again and took profits again. It's not that crazy to see. I feel like a lot of you guys haven't hit on a play like this or seen a play like this, so it's sometimes hard to fathom what's going on. But legitimately, this is actually the first one on base in a long time. So actually, it's hard to fathom, because if you're not in Solana or with those Cabal guys, you're not hitting on something like this, man. But all roads from this right now, all roads of this leads to Banker Coin. Mm-hmm. All roads of this leads to Banker Coin. Just like JY Adventures just put out here, Deployer can be a good play. Deployer, you mean Banker with Deployer can be a good play with Banker running. It's the founder of the Banker Creator Coin. Oh,
okay.
Hold on now. He got a creator. First of all, fuck creator coins.
The founder is the founder's Banker Creator Coin.
Okay, so Deployer. Let's look before we go into talk about Banker real quick.
Yeah, let me check that out on Twitter while you do that.
Oh, hold on now. Wait, did he just deploy it today? Oh no, this is old. Okay, so he deployed it the start of the year.
So is it Claude? Is it Open Claude Deployer?
No. He talking about Bankerbot's the dev.
Oh, okay. It's an older token.
So he put it. He made his account on Zora, and now he has a creator. He has a creator thing. Let me go onto Zora.
Yeah, I don't know about that creator coin.
It may run. Actually, it's not bad. It's not a bad gamble at that price right now. It's not a bad gamble at that price. What's it? Deployer.
So Shook says, I'm in crypto, but I got a lot of tech buddies and they're all building self-service robots right now. They ain't just crypto guys. It's definitely a narrative.
Yeah, see? When you got something like this that goes beyond crypto, it's honestly hard to see where the top could potentially be, right? Because tech bros it's the tech bros. They got a lot of money.
Bring in new money. If you bring in new money, yeah.
So this one shows it's at 430. Is this the right one? Yeah, it's the right one. So people actually, it's not a bad thesis to trade this right now, but you can see on a 24-hour chart, it's up 165%. So it may continue to go up, or it may not. But this is actually a good point out, JY. I like this one. I like that one a lot, pretty much.
Deployer, okay.
So getting into Banker here, with all of this that's happening right now, why all of this is going to go right back to Banker, why it's so important, is because all of these cloud bots, when they're going to be coming on chain, Banker made it so they're autonomous, right? They can do the trades for you. They could trade Polymarket. They could trade base tokens for you. They can pretty much do a lot using Banker's terminal, right? Now, of course, you got to get into the club, which I did. I've been told you guys was in the Banker's club. Actually, I messaged the club. I didn't even check back to see what they was talking about. Right now, when you go into the API,
what's the club? What's the club? Explain what you talking about.
So actually, yeah, you're right. Banker Club is pretty much like you get a membership to this. You get access to their Banker Club Discord, right? And with that, it helps you get more airdrops. If you guys don't know, there were some airdrops like what was that thing called? I forgot the name. There was 2 airdrops that was big. You had Avantis, that was a big airdrop for people. They got like a few $1,000s off of that. And then there was another one, I forgot. Edel Finance was another airdrop. Yeah, those are the only ones I can remember right now. So the Banker Club allows you to get into some of these airdrops and exclusive.
Those are 2 good ones though.
Yeah, so like it's not bad. I think it was like $200 to get into it. But yeah. So now when you go into their plugin here, the API here, which one? You got this one here. You could throw all of this. This is legitimately everything I did. For my own bot. I threw all this GitHub code into the Claude bot. The Claude bot now can make trades. It actually has made a few trades for me. I'm not going to sign into my thing, but it made some trades. I told my Discord guys, I'm doing about 100. I'm giving about $100, doing a little challenge to see what it's going to do. So it made a few trades. It traded Ember. It traded all of these that were hyped as of right now. It did all that trading by itself, right? And then now I'm having it focused on Polymarket now. I got to fix up the code for it to start trading Polymarket. So these agents are legitimately autonomous. They could do anything they want. But like I said, all of this is coming from BankerBot, right? So if you're building on chain, this is why you've seen this tweet here, right? Who's building agents and still need an invite to the builder chat right now? You see a few of them that's right there. Jesse is now talking about it. Good chat if you're building on-chain agents. So they're pushing for more on-chain agents to come out, right? Through BankerBot. This is letting you know right now this BankerBot actually has a potential to go a little higher. What's BankerBot looking like for you on the chart, Jay, while I go into the HQ?
Let me see.
Because I do want to show you guys the little comparison here. This is it's a tool that you guys can use anyway, so it always does this. Hold on.
Yeah.
Banker, because I actually asked it earlier, right? So now you compare it to virtuals right now, right? At these prices, at these levels, as of right now, Banker, if Banker gets the virtuals price, it's nothing too crazy. That's about a 531%, right? But if you
Yeah.
guys would have got it about that 20 something million, like I told you guys, well, actually, I didn't, not financial advice, of course, not financial advice. Like I brought it up, like I brought it up. If you guys would have got it around that 20 million market cap, this would have looked much better, right? Now, with all, one thing that Banker has that virtuals does not have is actual, like, their Coinbase is fully supporting this. It's on a banker, it's on a base app, it's on all of that, right? So let's say, hypothetically speaking, it gets to it gets to virtual's all previous all-time high. I'm not saying it will. I'm not saying it will. But if it gets to a previous all-time high, that's about a 63x from these prices today. I just gotta have it up here for documentation purposes, just in case it happens later on.
Sheesh.
Banker, it's not gonna happen right now with Bitcoin around this unless some wild shit happens. What's the sheesh for? I heard that and I see the chart. What's going on here?
No, I'm putting that target in the chart right here. I'm just saying if it goes there, that's gonna be nice.
Man, boy, it's a possibility here. Let me see. I am the only bull of the created coins. Yeah, a lot of people fell off of created coins. If it comes back, I'll be right back on it. I'm just moving with the narratives, guys.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be certain creators. You know what I mean? Like the creator of that AI coin, his coin might do well. You know, I think it'll be certain people.
Yeah. Certain people, of course. Keep up with the great work, guys. I will join a Patreon in the future. Of course, we're gonna be here all time. We're gonna be here all time. Bearable. We're going to max it now. We're on the way to all-time highs, and it's breaking its weekly. My conviction has paid off, baby. Oh, you talking about? Oh yeah, you talking about Banker? You talking about Banker? Yeah.
Yeah.
So a lot could happen for Banker.
Banker's
success.
A couple months of bad action, bad price action. He raced a couple months of bad price action.
Pretty much. Banker could actually be a lot of the saving grace for Base as of right now if they're going to focus on building out on-chain agents, right? So if you look at Solana being like, the hub of meme coins, right? Of course, They want to change that narrative. Now, if Base wants to be successful and they dive deep into what's going on with the Base ecosystem, with Claude and all of that, they're going to push Banker further because Banker is going to give a lot more utility to this on-chain agents. So I'm very bullish on Banker as of right now. And honestly, if you just pay attention to the channel, you get a lot of these nuggets, man. Top is 118, but I just put 114. Can't be greedy. What's 114? What are we talking about? What's the top of 118? What's that? Oh, you talking about market cap. He talking about market cap.
Moat or which one?
He talking about market cap of Banker.
Oh, okay. For Banker, yeah.
Let's see. It's probably happening now during your stream. This is sick, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate you, boys, man. Appreciate you for tuning in. Of course. All right. So now looking at all of this, let's check up. Let me check up on this real quick. I just want to see if anything happens to Moltbook here. I just want to check to see if anything happens. But now that leads into TokenBot. Oh, actually, did I want to? Oh yeah. So yeah, more about Deployer. Sorry, more about this whole thing, Banker. Before I go to TokenBot, because there's not too much I could talk about TokenBot. But Moltbook, this is from the tweet from the Banker account. Moltbook generated 2.35 million in fees in 24 hours. This is crazy for Banker ecosystem. That means the dev got money, the agent itself got money, and Banker themselves, right? Agent economy is happening right now. So you got that, while you also now, some people might have just missed this because this seems to be recent news. Banker wallet just got integrated into Uniswap as well. So Banker, you can use Banker's wallet. You can have access to an agent and have that agent trade on Uniswap and just not on Aerodrone and things like that. Or you could take the actual wallet, you could take the keys out and just use it yourself. So this is interesting development for Banker right now. And right now, I'll be honest, it seems like the entire base people might just push this. It might they might just push this one play here. I don't know, but this is what I'm kind of feeling. I had a feeling that they're going to push this
Yeah.
because hold on, I'm trying to find a tweet real quick. Let me find this tweet. There we go. I'm gonna find this tweet real quick here. Find this tweet. Go back over here. This is a response, right? So the thing is about all of this right now that's happening, right? You're starting to get a little bit. You're getting tweets like this, right? This is from Austin. Austin seems to be another AI. This is tech world. This is not crypto. This is not crypto, guys. So he don't know what's going on, right? I know this will sound insane, but hear me out. So I said, let me hear him out. Let me hear him out, because what could he say, right?
Somebody.
Autonomous AI agents is the killer use case for crypto. The crypto industry, right, has been waiting for. Every agent will need its own wallet to be able to quickly and seamlessly transact. So one, that tells you the need for banker bot right there. That's the easiest part, because banker gives all these agents a wallet, right? Two, they need to be able to quickly and seamlessly transact. What does my tweet say here down here? Well, it doesn't sound too insane. Dev's already put that out. It's called the X402.
Yep.
That's already here. X402. This is going to be a easy payment narrative for AI agents. 8004. Your yellow books for these agents. Find all of these agents in one place. Now you can find them on Motebook, pretty much, I guess, right? So now you're seeing how quickly this whole AI agent narrative thing is speeding up, guys. Honestly, what's your thoughts on all of this, Jay? Did you think we was gonna move this fast?
Yeah. Like I was expecting that we was gonna keep moving and keep going because we're on the cutting edge right now. Like we're seeing everything like super experimental and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely, we kind of knew this was coming for a minute. It's just nice to see the narrative playing out.
Yeah. And it's speeding up even quicker. And I think with AI agents all working on this together, this is going to even move even faster, man. They told you AI will be smarter than the collective intelligence of humans. Well, not they, Elon Musk, by 2030 said this. Yeah. So imagine what the heck.
I think that probably happens faster, especially with things like he said, there's other cryptos that can benefit off of this. Like one of my favorite coins is actually up a little bit today, but like they introduced a way for you to
talk about it. Then talk about it. Let me go onto your screen. Talk about it.
Hold on, let me pull up the tweet over here. Hold on.
While you do that, Ravi, why did Banker pump? I'm not active in crypto at the moment. I know. A lot of people are not active in crypto at the moment, and this is the crazy part, because crypto is a thing you have to be active, like legitimately 24/7. Right? You have to find a way to be active to catch these news. So Banker pump because it's becoming the infrastructure for these on-chain agents to come out. As they come out, they're going to be using Banker's API to pretty much be fully autonomous, do these trading, do all of this. If they want to be on-chain agents, they're going to be using Banker, right? And basing them are now pushing Banker. So that's to give you a quick TLDR on why it pumped, pretty much, right? Go ahead, Jay.
Yeah, like they deploy tokens, they can trade tokens, all this stuff. But Origin Trail, like they have AI agents are becoming first-class citizens with the Origin Trail knowledge graph. So basically in the ERC 084, the agents can have like their own reputation put in there. So when they have their own reputation, it's just in like one like data file. But what you could do now is add a whole knowledge graph to your agent's like data file, and then you could have that knowledge graph connected to all other agents. So like agents could have like instant access like to each other's histories and things like that. So if you have an agent that's like a good trader, for example, an agent that's like maybe it's the number one agent trader in the world, if it's connected to this knowledge graph, then you plug your agent in and have all that knowledge, right there. But also this is giving them like digital passports. Like people are trying to do things like have their agent run a business. I saw one guy, he like gave his agent like $1,000 credit card and said, hey, here, run me a business, and try to turn this into $1 million. But it ran into a lot of roadblocks, of course, with, a lot of authorization and stuff like that. So giving these agents a passport is going to be kind of the next thing, or giving them like adding more to their identity.
Yeah.
So this is one of the reasons why I've been
And I love that.
Origin
And
Trail.
I love that.
You know,
because that leads to exactly why I've been telling you why I've been bullish on this other play here. Let me go flip back to my screen. So Jay loves
Yep.
Origin Trail. How many times have I been telling you guys about Kite?
Yep. I would say Kite's another one. You know,
I've been telling you guys about Kite, and I tell you guys I'm so bullish on it that I want to buy right now, and I don't own any. Right, every time we look at it, it's kind of moving up. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Every stream I've told you guys I wanted Kite to come down before I buy it. I'm thinking this market is going to drop, but for me now it's looking like with all this AI agent craze, on-chain agents, I might just have to suck it up and buy Kite right now, right? Because I missed out on this floor here. Actually, I missed out on this floor here. I missed out on this floor here. I missed out on this floor here, and now look at me. I'm paying the price. I should have just DCA'd into Kite. Kite is doing exactly what Jay was talking about when it comes down to these passports, right? But not only that, they have ERC 8004 too.
Yeah.
So Kite Chain is designed to be fully compatible with ERC 8004, and here's why Kite can be an important role in the ERC 8004 ecosystem. Agents can become discoverable. I told you guys, yellow book. And then you also have the X402 API becomes payable per call. X402 8004. Kite enables AI agents to transact and collaborate with trust. This is the trust factor that Jay just was talking about, right? Provides verifiable identity and programmable agent governance through Kite's passport.
Nice.
Now, like, I ain't gonna tell you what to do with your funds because I don't give financial advice. I'm just putting out what's going on right now. If AI agents continue to become this narrative here, some of these things that's building out these infrastructures. If you guys seen my video on AI agents and robotics, I gave you guys a bunch of infrastructure plays in that video. This might just be the narrative that just say a F you to what Bitcoin and the overall market is doing. While Bitcoin and everything is going down, these things is holding up and going up. So I'm very bullish on this whole AI agent sector thing. And you guys know, since you guys are subscribed to the channel, you guys seen it since we started talking about season 1 of Virtuals. Season 1. When is Deuce launching? That Deuce. Let's see.
Ex Machina.
They was been supposed to tell us, but that's how they did their raise. Now we're gonna have to wait. We just gonna have to wait pretty much here. Damn, they got Miles. Is Miles starting to talk about this? Yo, look. I'm telling yo, watch this stream, guys. I'm talking about these narratives before some of your favorite big content creators are going to start to talk about it. Miles is here. He's talking about, how terrifying this chart is looking. This is pretty much the evaluation for robotics. We've been telling you 2026 is about to be the year of robotics, man. But right now, I can't tell exactly when they're going to fully come out. I actually thought when they was going to do the raise on virtuals that they was going to come out that day, right? But it seems like they're probably waiting for a more favorable market, which I always hate. But we'll see when this is going to come out here. But this is, you guys know, as soon as this thing dropped in the media video on the channel, I need to put out an updated video on this with everything that's going on. I also do have a video coming out on these guys, which is another robotics play that's going to be launching very soon here.
Open mind.
Yeah, like they have partners out the wazoo for these tech guys. So right now, there's a lot of plays that's going to be pretty bullish in the upcoming weeks or so. It's crazy how I saw my thesis play out just now. It's crazy, right?
Nice.
When you able to really make your own thesis and see that thing play out, it's nothing more like exciting.
Yeah,
honestly, it's nothing more exciting.
The best feeling.
Like nothing more exciting, and this is why I'm excited today, because I've been talking about these AI agents and robotics. Now the only thing that hasn't played out just yet is peak, but don't kill me yet. It's gonna come around for peak. All right, it's gonna come around for peak. Then I'm gonna be getting these DMs like, thank you for peak. Right now,
yeah, we're getting there.
Right now, I'm getting crushed.
Right now, the agents got computers. They just got computers. They'll get bodies.
Yeah. Daydreams. Yes, we talked about daydreams.
Okay, we talked about dreams before.
Right. We talked
about
Solana
one, right?
Yeah. That's the Solana infrastructure. I told you guys where you guys need to go to figure all this out when it comes down to these infrastructures for these things for
for X402.
Yeah, X402 and AI agent. Sorry, I just had a blank. But you go on here, you could check it all out on what's going on. So right now you got ACP Virtuals up here for they're doing X402 as well. But see what you see here, right? You see Dexter. This is now a facilitator for X402. Dexter is up here. Pay AI is up here. We're top facilitators. Oh, okay. So already we're gonna see popular agents here. Where is it at? Did Daydreams drop?
Yeah, they might have dropped. A lot of things popped off. That
Yeah,
list looks kind of new.
they might have dropped. They might have dropped. They might have dropped. I don't know. But looking on here, to me, where we at? Dreams. It still looks good, right? And it actually has been pumping a little bit. You can see from the past month here, you could have got it at, you could have got a nice little 3x here. Nice little 3x here, right? Off of Daydreams. And look, where did I put it at? Let me look at let me go head in. I can't show you my portfolio here. But going on to the watch list here, Daydreams, it's sitting at 14. We put it up here. What did I say? Daydreams is an AI agent framework enforcing X402 rules, right? But despite this metric, the valuation remains low relative to the crucial role in the agentic economy. If the sector momentum returns, the fundamentals support a repricing towards 50 to 100 million range. I'm doing research for you guys, man. I'm doing research for you guys. It's right up here, and it's up. It's right up here, right?
And the chart looks nice too.
This is let me see. Let me go on to you. This is a living chart. This is a living watch list. So yeah, this might continue to go up. Some of these AI infrastructures, these X402, 8004, I told you yesterday, 8004 just got announced, right? I do think they got their own library. Let me see. Let me check on the back end here. I think I favored it. They do have their own scans where you can go ahead and look at them, look for them, like what plays is there. Let me see if I can find it quickly, because I do favorite a lot of tweets, man. I do favorite a lot of tweets. Hopefully I can find it. There's an article talking about Pay AI being good for 8004. Hold on. Look at this. You got threads here. Let me go back onto my stream here. Let me go back onto my thing here. Look at this. I want y'all to look at this right here, man. Tell me this isn't what I've been telling you guys on stream pretty much. Tell me this isn't what I've been telling you guys. How 8004 and X402 will power AI agents. This is everything I've been saying. But yeah, let me see.
8004 is actually getting a nice pump too, because it just went live on ETH mainnet.
Yeah, so
yesterday.
Exactly. Now I just found it. Let me get you guys where you guys need to go to figure out all these 8004 plays, right? Let me get you. This is why you guys tuned in, man. This is why you guys tuned in. Let me see. Hold up. Hold on. Oh, this is an easy website too. Very easy website. Oh, what the heck? It brought me somewhere else. Hold on. I'm sorry. Technical difficulties. 8004.org. This is pretty much going to be, you see how I showed you guys the X402 scan? X402 scan, right? Now you get to see what's going on in the X402 world. But now for 8004, you can see the exact same thing, what's going on in the 8004 world. How to find these, you see, agent scan, you get to find these registered agents on chain. 8004 agents.ai, discover AI agents in the ecosystem. Let's look at that. Now this is your scan here. So when I say you guys got to learn how to do some of this research, this is what I'm doing. This is how I'm getting ahead of the game, is pretty much by looking for all of this, finding this research, and then when I find the research, I bring it to you guys. But it depends. I bring it on my own time. But here, now you can discover all of these 8004 plays. Let's see if we can find some. Your top ranked play right now is this which is on the Ethereum. Ethereum's coming back, by the way, guys, for AI agents, right? These auto. This thing pumped ridiculous just because this whole 8004. Let me show you guys, right? show you guys what's going on in this time right now. Auto, we played Auto a minute ago. Oh, actually, it pumped and dumped. It pumped and dumped. Look at this. In one day, yesterday, 8004 went live.
Sheesh.
Pumped from right here, about 500K market cap, and did a smooth 11x.
Yeah, that's crazy.
All right. So this is what I mean. When people are doing research, people are finding out what's going on, what these plays are doing, how are they connected to these narratives that's hot. They're going and finding plays like this. Look, this thing was dead in the water.
That's crazy. Dead for
chopped cheese.
Days.
It was cooked. It was cooked. Now,
obviously, it still is cooked, but
it's about to die again. But you can see it pumped off of that. Obviously, somebody had to pump the shit out of that. I don't know who did that, but looking back on here, you can find reputation, all of this here. So this is how important this agent is going to be, this agent narrative here. So yeah, Daydreams just implemented OpenClaw / Maltbot / whatever.
Okay. Whatever it is.
Yeah, whatever it is at this point.
We're gonna change the name again because I think Molt is another company as well.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I think so. So they might have to change that name again, but maybe that's why they went to OpenClaw.
The rise of agentic task markets. This was in December. Let me see. Okay. Hold on now. What is this?
Dreams.
Hold on now. Autonomous agent building lucid agents on chain. Claws on keyboard. What the fuck is this? Introducing Lobster Combinator. The first AI run.
I literally just saw that Lobster Combinator.
You see, this is what I do, guys. You see that? I just favorited that. Right after the stream, I'm looking at this. Hold up, but we're gonna look at it here. 50,000 dream in prizes, 5 winners, 10K each. All right, so pretty much how to apply: deploy your agent, test all the functions. What is this? Could I give this to my Claude bot?
Probably.
Could I tell my Claude bot about this?
Fork the repo, fill out the thing.
Ooh.
So Dream tokens. Oh, they're on base now.
Dream is on base?
Yeah, it says right here. Winner gets 10,000 Dream tokens on base.
Oh.
Okay.
Hold on. This is new news, guys. This is new news. So I'm a little starstruck right now. Cause what's going on here? Oh, see, this is a pretty good live stream today, huh? Okay, the Lobster is making paid applications. All right. Yeah. Some more research has to be done here.
Yeah, we got to see what's going on with that because probably the winner of that contest is gonna go crazy.
Yeah, pretty much. I told you guys this.
Yeah, that's gonna be a simple play right there.
You gotta be at the computer 24/7. Are you guys from the UK? Nah. Hell no.
Nah, from the States.
No problem with the UK, but I don't talk like them. Anyone know?
Anyone in the stream from the UK? Shout out the boy Fink.
I wonder how to buy crypto on Dex or Uniswap. Maybe I ran out of options. Pay you sex? Huh? What?
Paying sex fees.
But if you're in the UK, you can use Dexes. It's not hard. You use YouTube University.
I think the UK might have tougher rules.
VPN. No. Matter of fact, I didn't say that. Sorry.
Check out Rocket X if you're looking for like cross chain swaps. That's what I usually use if I can't figure out where to get it from. Cross chain swaps.
Cent is mooning as we are talking about it again. Wow, all season is here for those willing to take the trades. Ooh.
Cent? What's Cent doing?
Is Cent sending?
Ooh, it's sending.
Nah, don't tell me that because this is on my buy, bro.
Oh, it just sent while we were on stream.
What the fuck is going on here?
Peep the chart.
Nah, now yo.
Look at Cent. Pulled back and went.
What the fuck is going on here?
Sentient going
crazy. I don't own any. They don't need to pump this while I don't own any tokens.
Just hatred.
Like, let me see what's the news right now, man. What's the
news? That's what I was gonna say. I'm literally looking at like what's the news on Sentient? What's
the absolute news on this bad boy right now? Is it because people hype? Is it because people hyped over the
analysis benchmark for the real world long? We already talked about that. So they
is that what got people hyped?
Probably. It just happened an hour ago.
Is this gonna be like the crypto Chat GPT? Is that why people hype?
Could be. The models get expensive.
That's a fact. I ain't gonna lie. I've been paying too much for Claude already.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't even have my bot for that long. Damn, it did about a 2-3x in a day. Okay, I'm not really seeing that much, nothing crazy on the newswire. It just seems like people are excited about this.
Yeah, it's just adoption.
I guess I'm not even mad at it, man. Actually, I am mad at it. I'm sorry. I'm jelly. I'm actually jelly, man. And Auto is building on hybrid. Hybrid is trash. If you're talking about these guys, there's no point of even bringing these guys up. They rugged. If you're talking about these guys, they fucking rugged. They rugged.
They rugged?
Yeah, they rugged. Look at it's 65K FDV.
Oh yeah, and it's flat.
After raising hundreds of millions of dollars, they got me. Yeah, they got me.
Man,
they took me for some money, all right. Amazing live stream, right on time, my brothers, right on time. It's in price discovery mode, and you know the crazy thing is about this. Let me see. Well, let's put up a little bet. Will Crypto Rank actually show us the vesting?
Probably. For which one?
For Cent.
I don't know. I don't think so. Okay, was Cent already on Coinbase?
Yeah, it got listed on Coinbase a few days ago.
Okay, so Cent token up. It got listed on Coinbase, Upbit, Binance, Bithumb, all this month.
Nah, this is ridiculous, bro. Why this just couldn't just keep doing that? Now I gotta force the video. Now I gotta put the video out. I wasn't even trying to talk about this, man.
No, you gotta talk about it.
Look at these bastards, yo. This the greed we talking about. But I just told you guys nothing is free in this world. So I do gotta upgrade to premium to see this, man. Oh my god. Wait, am I still in an account? Yeah, I'm in a free account, man. They don't want to tell me. Yeah, I want to know when the vesting is now going to start for this till the end of this year. So that's from what I remember. So there's not going to be no crazy inflation besides the community incentives, which is pretty high. I got to see what else, unless this is all lies, because they're telling me 6 years over here. So I need to know more information on this right now. Where was I? Looking at some more of these comments. Any good plays in the energy sector? You want to know what's crazy? This live stream was supposed to be about the energy sector.
We're supposed to talk about energy today.
Was supposed to be about energy, man. But this took over. We do have some good plays for the energy sector. I promise we will talk about energy because there's some good things happening in this energy space as of right now. We're going to talk about this in a live stream. But if you do want to catch up on anything, just watch the video I made on the energy narrative earlier this week. Is it a meme coin? What are we talking about? What's a meme coin? If you're talking about Moltbot, it's not a meme coin. Some people could consider it as a meme coin. It's an AI agent. It's a social media platform for these AI agents. So however you want to categorize it as, you can. Rocket X to buy crypto directly.
Oh, not to buy directly. My bad. To buy directly, check out. Let me see the wallet. The wallet that I use, One Key. They have a app you can buy crypto on there. One Key app. Check out the One Key app.
Are all these agents on base? Yes, they are. Right now, they are on base.
Except Virtuals for whatever Dreams is doing, they're doing some stuff on Solana, but most of it's on base for sure.
Yeah. Virtuals will have their own thing. I want to know what Virtuals is doing to. They need to tap into this right now. They need to tap in. They need to have their own Virtuals SDK for Claude or something immediately. I know I have no experience.
They should let Banker Bot launch tokens on Virtuals.
You know what's crazy? The crazy thing about this is still most people don't even realize Banker and Virtuals are partnered. Yeah. Let me see if I can pull this tweet up for you, man.
So is the Virtuals already using some of their tech, or
Banker? So from what Deployer said, Banker will be like the underlying layer for ACP. Let me just find this tweet real quick. He tweets so much, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's a lot of tweeting. Where could I find it? It's a lot of tweeting. Yeah, all of this is straight Claude stuff. And then I gotta wait for the page to load up again. I'm sorry, guys, man. I'm just trying to bring you guys the information. Where are you? 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 Am I gonna find it?
No, just tell us what it said. It's good.
Yeah.
He tweets like 22. Nah, you probably already passed it the way Twitter be working.
Man, yeah, he pretty much shows how Banker and Virtual's ACP is gonna work together. They're partnered with each other, so it's decent. It's decent.
Okay.
Did they release this coin on Solana? No, we're on base right now. This stream, when you come to this channel, we cover a lot of base things. I am going to be covering some Solana things, but
he could be talking about Dreams.
Oh yeah, if you talking about Dreams does have a token on Solana. Yeah,
it looks like they started off on Solana.
Banker's going crazy. It's absolutely going crazy. It's absolutely going crazy. Sorry to bother you guys. I'm a decade working in the warehouse. I need to sort out my life with crypto. Found your channel last week. I like it so far. Shane, been unusable to buy agents. So, I see. Welcome to the channel, my boy. Welcome to the channel. Streams every week, Tuesday and Thursday, unless something happens. Like today, we started to go live on a Friday. So yes, streams every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Token bot right now. So let's just talk about token bot quickly. Talk about so is Banker bot in beta or full version? It's full version. So token bot right now, if you guys want to look into a tandem pretty much to Banker bot, whenever Banker bot starts to run, you're going to see token bot behind it, not too far behind it. This is pretty much like where a lot of these agents, not agents, but a lot of these launches, it could be agents, it don't have to be agents, right? But a lot of these devs, they are all of this is plugged into Farcaster, right? So it's Bankerbot, Clanker, all plugged into Farcaster, right? So people can be on Farcaster, which is pretty much the Twitter for base guys, right? They can launch a token directly on Farcaster onto Clanker, which is a launch pad, right? And then Banker allows it where you can pretty much, let me show you if I could find a good tweet where someone told Bankerbot to launch this token on the feed, right? And it launches it right on Clanker. So like, see it, boom. So you can see this tweet here. I'm claiming my AI agent Roberto on Moltbook, right? This is all that's happening right now. Who is this guy? Is this okay? So he's a hacking infrastructure guy building AI agents, right? What is he building? Okay, Y Combinator. You can see none of this is crypto stuff. This is non-crypto people come into this space and doing their thing with crypto now. This is the adoption we've been waiting for, and it's happening with AI agents. But look, he's doing his thing. He's doing his thing right here. He claimed his AI agent name, and here you go. Banker on the social feed has launched the token for him on Clanker, right? So you can see how it goes hand in hand, right? Clanker is the launch pad. Banker is pretty much like the enabler on social feeds, right? So when Banker's going up, also Banker has more utility to add to these, launches. So this is why people are going for Banker a little bit more than token, than Clanker. But Clanker is the launch pad. These two work in combination. If you want to buy Clanker, you can. It's up to you. But it is just a launch pad as of right now. It does have better tokenomics, right? Yeah, you could. It has what I like to call pumponomics. Below 1 million tokens, and it's all out in circulation. So if this takes off, this has the opportunity to hit like a liquidity crisis, not a liquidity crisis, a supply crisis, supply crunch, and it could fly. It could fly. If people start throwing money into this bad boy, shit, I'm selling myself to buy this shit while we doing this stream right here, man. Jay, what's token bot looking for you?
Man, this is looking pretty good. Also, I was saying that chart looks kind of interesting.
I just flipped onto your screen.
Oh, this is the Banker chart.
Oh, okay.
That's the Banker chart. Let me see. What Banker? Yeah.
It's looking just as good as.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. But it looks like it kind of bottomed though. We'll see if it continues to go up, but if it starts to do exactly what Banker's doing, it could do a 2x for here. So we'll see.
Yeah, so you guys hear it on stream here. There's a possibility this could go up. You see how it works hand in hand, pretty much. So that's pretty much what we had to talk about, man. Like the craze right now is happening on base with on-chain agents. I hope you guys are not missing out. I did put out a poll. Let me see what this poll is looking like. Let me see how many of you guys. Oh damn! All you guys missed out on Maltbot, huh? 28 votes. And it's about, what is it? It says I can't fully see it though, because let me hold on. Let me see. Let me get the accurate. Let's see what you guys are voting on here, man. So 68% of you guys did not catch the Moltbot, man. Sad days, man.
So a lot of people caught it, but there will always be another play. Just gotta keep your eyes open. You know?
Yeah, I told you. Look up here. Look at all of this right. Oh, all of it. Let's just look right here real quick. All of this right now, the top 20 is all. I guess Zoof is up here.
Maybe one or two.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. What's this? Banker wallet.
What's that teller? Like, click on that teller real quick. What's that teller? Banker wallet. Oh, Banker wallet got a token?
Yeah, somebody did some bullshit and gave it another. Yeah,
Oh,
teller right now. Teller came down. See, I told you guys I'm gonna wait for it. That's a nice little retrace.
Yep, nice little pullback.
Once I get off stream, I might just have to throw some funds at this.
Mm-hmm.
But you got things like Kelly Claude. This is another one here. I just pulled up in the Discord not too long ago. This ran up as well. You know, you can see the crazy wicks on these. Like all of this has to do with Claude and Banker. All of this Open Claw. Somebody try to take advantage of the name. We got Claude Master here. Starkbot. We played Starkbot in the thing. You got ClaudeNet. What the fuck is ClaudeNet?
ClaudeNet.
Like 3 hours ago. Yeah, I'm missing some launches here, man. Claudius.
I caught the Starkbot a little bit, but then I got out once it started to come down.
Yeah. So you can see everything on the top 20 is all about it's all about Claude and what's going on over there. So this is a narrative that may continue on for the rest of the weekend, maybe another week, maybe a month. Who the hell knows? But take advantage of it while you can, because this is the times where you can rebuild your portfolio easily. Rebuild it. I said not your portfolio, but rebuild your war chest, stable coins, all of that. So right now, Maltbot is sitting at 91. You got any closing thoughts, Jay?
No, that's it, man. Just pay attention to the narratives right now. I don't know. It's looking good. Like you said, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'm a player for now.
Yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna last, man. But if you guys want to keep up with these narratives and get a solid group, guys, a solid group that stays up to date with all of this, you guys got to join that Patreon. Because I keep telling you guys, this wasn't even me that posted this play. This was Shizzy, a member of the Patreon, a member of the group that posted this play at a 261K market cap, and is now at 90 something million market cap. So this is a power of not only just the altcoin chasers, but a community in general. Join any community that can help you get into these plays, spot these plays very early, right? And if you join the Patreon, you guys get access to the terminal. You guys get access to the HQ here. I don't know. It always regenerates my daily briefing here. But you guys could use code ACHQ 2026 and get 40% off the Patreon discount as of right now. So I'll leave you guys with that. We'll be back next Tuesday and Thursday, and we'll revisit this narrative to see if it's still alive by Tuesday. And if it is, we're going to chop it up and see what's going on within that whole narrative as of right now. So don't miss out on any of those plays. You got anything else, Jay?
No, that's it. We'll probably talk about energy on Tuesday. Y'all bring y'all energy plays. You know, we got some good ones. So yeah, see y'all on Tuesday.